welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna get ready for Christmas Eve. Let's put some lip balm on so y'all see me with some chapped ass lips. Merry Christmas Eve. So I still don't know what kind of makeup look I want to do, but I know I want to do like a red lip. Let's see, I have this Fenty liquid red lip, but I just think this might be too red. It's a little too red. But let's see if we can work with it. We're gonna try to do like a makeup like this, but I don't have a red lipstick like that. Or like maybe something like this. Or like this, like a red, but not too like reddish, like something more subtly. My camera light just discharged, but it's okay. We have enough light. Yeah, we're good. Like I said, I like using this Glow Recipe serum as a primer. I just spilled so much. It's so bad without the light. Every day, my foundation is getting more and more darker for my skin tone. I look orange right now. It's okay. It'll work. And I still don't have a concealer. Great! I need to get it together. And I stopped by the beauty supply yesterday. I didn't stop by it, but I literally walked past it. And I was like, I don't need to get anything from there. I keep forgetting. This is annoying. I hate that it goes to commercial and I don't even realize it. Much better. My girl Huda Beauty. Best setting powder ever. I still feel like I look orange. Alright, let's work this out. These are my eyebrows. That's the outline. Sorry. No? Okay. Why are there so many ads? Jeez. I have a brown eyeliner and I think I'm gonna use that on my, yeah, this is on my inner corner. This side. Period, that's it. And now I'm gonna do black on my lower lash line. I have lashes, but I don't know if I want to put them on. I have these lashes. Let's use this brown lip liner. Not lip liner, this brown eyeliner. And let's see how that would look with the red, because I want to darken the red a bit. I don't want it to be too dark, too bright. Like I think this red is just a little too bright. Let's see. It already feels matte. No. I don't like the red. I hate it. Okay, I'm gonna put some setting powder. So it could dry. It's kind of matte now. Maybe it's because I put on the thing. Okay, I need to clean it up around like the edges, but it's not that bad. I like it. I need to wash my hands though. Let's put on some what you call this. Let me do my blush first. We're going through a red theme. Let's do this Rare Beauty one in red. That's a good amount. Let's do highlight. I don't know how I feel about it. Let's put on this highlighter on my inner corner and then we'll see what's popping, because I also didn't put what's it called? My eyelashes on yet, so that also makes a big difference. Okay, that's enough. And lashes now. I'm gonna put them on and I'll be right back. Put my lashes on, lip gloss, Lipstick is looking really good. I love it. I love the hair. I love the style. I'm obsessed. I am freaking obsessed. And this is my outfit. But these are like this. But yeah, we're ready to go. Let's go to the party.